Welcome, friends, to this 10-minute back release yoga. It's going to feel so good. Let's start in tabletop position on the mat. Knees under your hips, hands under your shoulders, and sink back into a child's pose. Arms reach long. Press your palms into the mat so that you're using the mat as traction. You've got a grip on the mat with your palms and slide the shoulders down your back. Feel this deep stretch through the shoulders. Breathe into your lower back. Each exhale, the neck releasing. Your forehead might even rest on the mat. Breathe into the lowest part of your low back, the lowest part of your tailbone. And with the exhale, round up to a tabletop position. And let's do a few cat-cows together. Knees under the hips, hands under the shoulders. Round through every single one of your vertebrae. Inhale, let your belly drop, lift your heart. And exhale, round. Inhale, lift the heart. Exhale, round. And hopefully that you're feeling already, just with this breath and this wave of the spine, some release. You're starting to notice where you're holding tension. As you come to a neutral spine, drop your weight into your right hip and just start to move up and down. Maybe the left arm reaches toward the top of the mat so you deepen the stretch. So we're releasing the tension through all the fascia of the hip. And then semicircle through to the other side. Again, weaving your breath through this movement as you move from side to side. And again, grab the mat with your palms, sink into child's pose. It's an active child's pose, so it's really about stretching through the shoulders, the neck, rounding through the spine. Come back up to tabletop. And come to your feet and come to the top of the mat. Arms reach out to the sides. Inhale into your fingertips. Take it slow, big stretch. Exhale, release, pressing through the palms. Inhale, lift, this time coming up onto the toes, stretching out through the feet. You can wobble your way up and then release. And then one more time, hands come up overhead, palms come to your heart center, and close your eyes. Take a moment to land on an intention for this practice. Very often, the reason that we're feeling tension in the body, or part of the reason, is that we are not clear on our purpose. We haven't been giving ourselves the gift of practicing, receiving, and releasing. So right now, ask yourself that question first. What do I want to release? What is not serving me in my life? What is my body maybe holding on to as tension, the issues in my tissues? And what do I want more of? What do I want to create space for? What do you want to release? What do you want to receive? Your intention could be that simple. If there's also something that you are wanting to become, to grow into, really see that. Something in the world you want to send the benefits of this practice to. So again, hands come up overhead, reconnecting with your intention. Lean towards the right. Open up the right side of the body. And lean towards the left, opening the side body all the way down to the edge of your foot. And then through center again, let's do that again, each side. Lean right, center, lean left. Reach long through the fingers. As you do, left arm drops forward, right arm drops back into this standing twist. Take a few breaths here. And then come back up. Drop left arm down, right arm forward. And take a few of these twists at your own pace. It might feel good to go really slow and linger. It might feel good to move a little more quickly. Keep breathing. Envision your breath as clearing you out. It's like a flashlight moving through your whole body, seeing where the cobwebs are, seeing where the tension is. Arms go long overhead. Bend the elbows, cactus the arms open, big heart opener. Big stretch of the chest, release of the shoulders, the upper back. Again, reach long through the fingertips. Widen your stance a little bit, feet go a little bit wider, about hip width. Deep bow down. Inhale, half lift, arms go long, legs go long. Exhale out to a plank. Always an option to drop the knees, modified plank, or come out onto the toes, lift the hips high. Stay here just a little longer than you want to, a few more breaths than we want to. Practice meeting challenge with breath, with belief. Lift the hips high, down dog. Let your head go. And as we're here, fine-tune your down dog. Press every one of your knuckles into the mat. And all of our down dogs are going to look a little different. Probably from day to day, they look a little different. If your hamstrings are super tight and your knees are bent, that's all good. Bend your right knee, let the left heel drop down more towards the mat, and then pedal through your feet. So bending left knee, right heel drops. Every time feeling a little bit more length in the hamstring. Back pain can often be very much tied to tight hamstrings, so this down dog, let both heels drop towards the mat, is so important. Extend your right leg long, hold for just a moment. Knee comes into your chest and the weight of your chest comes over your hands as you step right foot down onto the mat. Drop left knee down. So we're in this low lunge, arms come up overhead, deep psoas stretch or hip flexor stretch. You can bring your palms to heart center, whatever feels best. Arms come down to frame your forward foot. Step out to your plank. Option to come through a vinyasa flow or go right to down dog. If you're gonna flow, elbows bend, yoga push up. Inhale, heart lifts, either an up dog or a cobra. We're spending a few breaths in each shape, letting our tissues, our fascia fully release into that shape. Meet me in down dog. Let your head go. Inhale in your nose. Exhale mouth. Let your jaw go. Let it all go. Make some noise. Inhale nose. Exhale mouth. What do you want more of? Deep breath into it. What do you want to let go? Exhale mouth. Again, inhale nose. Get the breath underneath something you've been carrying all week. Let it go. Exhale. Left leg extends long. Knee comes into your chest. Step forward. Drop right knee. Low lunge again. Arms either sweep up overhead or palms to heart center. Take a few breaths here. The shoulders dropping. And lay down on your back. Cross left foot over right knee, so your body looks like a 4. Your left foot down towards the right side of your mat. You're opening up the left hip. Breathe into the left hip. And then through center, grab underneath your hamstrings or on top of your shin. Pulling right knee in towards your chest, again from hamstrings or top of shin. So this is a reverse pigeon on our backs. It's going to be the most accessible for everyone. You could, of course, do a full pigeon that's facing down on the mat. But this is a great place to start to really deeply, you can drop your head, release through the lower back, the hamstrings. switch. Right foot over left knee, drop right foot towards the left side of the mat, opening up the right hip. Again, come back to that question. What are you releasing? Put it on the exhale. What do you want more of? What do you want to create space for? Name it. Become clearer and clearer about it. Become clearer and clearer of your worth, your magneticism for it. Come into figure 4. Knees come into your chest. Come up to a seated position. Lengthen tall through your spine. Chin goes parallel with the floor. Shoulders drop. And really feel right now the length of your spine, the regality of your posture. Palms to your heart center. Come back to your intention. Take a few breaths into it. Let it steady you. Let it anchor you. Let it shape how you're showing up in the world. Thank you so much for breathing and moving and opening with me. That's what yoga does for us. It opens the body. It opens the fascia. It opens our heart. It fills us with breath so that we can encounter the world in response rather than reaction. Let's do more of it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to connect with you, and like and comment on this video. I'd love to hear about your intention and join you in holding space for it. And if you would like this kind of training, but more and deeper, more heart work, more soul work, join me in my altar platform. It's where I pour my heart and my soul, and I love building community there. You can learn all about it at nicolemeline.com/altar. We are building physical strength to support our greatest work in the world, the work of our hearts, the work of our spirits, and to ignite our spirits and our joy. Big love. Go spread it. Namaste.